Well, hello! Today I'm out at the pond. I have a little problem with the pond. The cows have made a new path which has eroded the wall of the pond. So I have to repair that. So I get to do a little masonry work today, as it were. Let me show you what I got. Ugh, yeah, that's a pretty decent breach right there. So I need to build it up at least to the height of the path, and you know, you can see some of my past masonry work over there. And I have all my supplies, and then I'll bury it all in dirt. So whatever doesn't get concrete blocks on it will get dirt on it, and I dig it up from over there. That's where my dirt comes from. But it looks like I've had some pig activity too. Look at this. Something's been chewing this up. Wonder what? Probably the cows. Who knows? Well, we'll see. Anyway, I'll take some pictures along the way, and hopefully we can resolve this pretty easily before the next rainstorm comes, which is day after tomorrow. Oh, not good. Well, here are a couple of shots of the improved dam. So hopefully the cows won't destroy it.